welcome everybody. We're into week 13. We're getting so close to the end of the semester. So let's go ahead and look at what we've got due this week. We'll go to our updating calendar. And you're going to see this week is a pedagogy, reflection, and catch-up. So it's really brief. I really want people, some people are totally caught up, in which case this is a super light week for you. And if you're not caught up, I'm giving you some time to do that. So remember, if you haven't already, you're going to want to have posted to the discussion forum on growth mindset. Your initial post was due last Friday, and you want to do at least 2 posts to peers by the end of Tuesday night. You want to watch this overview video, which you're doing if you're listening to this. And then we're going to look at a reflection survey. So let's look at that in more detail. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down. So this week, I want you to reflect on what you've been learning and how it has or could impact the practice of an LA in the classroom. However, I want you to be as free as possible in your reflection, as this is an exercise in metacognition and your own growth. What do we mean by metacognition? That's sort of thinking about thinking about the process of how we grow and learn and develop, which we started doing when we looked at growth and fixed mindset. So Maya made a Google form for this week's reflection, and I'm not going to be able to read any of those responses until the semester is over and grades are in. So this is a time for you to really think deeply and be able to share, so maybe what's working, what's not working in your practice and how the content is reflecting that. All she's going to do is tell me who completed the survey, and if you complete it, you get 10 out of 10 in the gradebook. Your other assignment, like I said, is just to catch up on any late assignments that you might have. If you post to a discussion board, please email me so that I know to go into the system and grade it. The way that I'm getting notifications on that is a little weird, and I don't want to miss the work that you're doing. You should be able to go into the gradebook, and anything that you have a 0 or a blank is something that you need to complete. If you're unsure about what you need to do, please contact me and I'm happy to tell you. There is one bizarre glitch in the gradebook that I cannot figure out how to get rid of, where it is showing one of our first posts we did on what is good teaching. You'll see both a score and then a blank right next to it. It just duplicated in the gradebook, but they're both pointing at the same thing, so I can't delete it. Sorry if that's confusing. But if you are unsure about anything about what you need to make up, please do contact me, and I'm happy to let you know. So again, this week, reflect, think, catch up, and I hope you have a great week.